Hello students, I am Prem Dhawan and will be discussing with you the remaining two methods of preparation of haloalkanes in this video. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the bell button so that we can notify you whenever the next video comes. So we'll start with the third method of preparation of haloalkanes, and the third method of preparation of haloalkane is from alcohols. Now this is called method C. From alcohols. It means in this method our aim is to replace OH of alcohol by X. So if you look at this reaction, we are replacing the negatively charged oxygen OH group of alcohol by negatively charged X negative. This reaction is called displacement reaction. This reaction is called substitution reaction. But since we are replacing the electron rich group by another electron rich group, this is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now we have number of reagents available to replace OH by X. But all these methods of replacing OH by X requires the presence of Lewis acid as a catalyst. Now Lewis acid is electron pair acceptor. It helps in the removal of OH from alcohol. Now the first method by which we can replace OH by X is using the hydrogen halides. So this is number one method, using hydrogen halides. HX. Now again HX can be HCl, HBr, HI, and for a given alcohol reactivity order of the hydrogen halides follows this: HCl, HBr and HI, and the acidic strength of the hydrogen halides also follows the same order. So acidic strength also increases in this order. Now we start with first, this is alcohol and we are reacting it with hydrogen chloride either in the presence of heat, or we can use anhydrous ZnCl2 as a Lewis acid catalyst. So it gives you RCl plus water. And HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, or HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 is called a Lucas reagent. This is called Lucas reagent. For example, CH3CH2OH when treated with HCl in the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, it gives CH3, CH2 and Cl. This is our side product. So we have replaced OH group in this case by chlorine. This is number two, from alcohol using phosphorus halides. Now first we are using phosphorus pentahalides, PX5, where X can be chlorine and bromine. Now this PX5 performs a dual role. It acts as a Lewis acid due to the presence of empty d atomic orbitals, and also supplies Cl- ion due to the presence of weak phosphorus chlorine bond. So it is acting as a Lewis acid as well as chloride or halide supplier. So we are reacting alcohol with PX5. phosphorus pentahalide. It forms RX. So we are replacing OH by X. And the side product is POX3 plus HX. For example, if we are reacting alcohol CH3, CH2, OH with PCl5, it forms CH3, CH2Cl plus POCl3 and plus it gives hydrogen chloride. Now this POCl3 is called phosphorus oxychloride. Phosphorus oxychloride. We can also use PBr5. Now we can also use sulfur oxychloride with alcohol. So alcohols on reaction with SOCl2 also gives alkyl chloride plus SO2 gas, sulfur dioxide plus HCl hydrogen chloride gas. Now this SOCl2 is called sulfur oxychloride. This is also called thionyl chloride. In organic chemistry, thio stands for sulfur. Thionyl chloride, and also known as sulfonyl chloride. So different names are there for this SOCl2. Now in this reaction we have replaced again OH by Cl. So this is an example of a nucleophilic substitution, and in this case both the side products are gases. SO2 is a gas, HCl is also gas. So both these side products, they escape from the reaction, and as a result reaction proceeds in the forward direction. So this is the best method to prepare alkyl chloride from alcohol, because both the side products are gases. But sometimes some reactions we write pyridine also. Now this pyridine is present as a base. This pyridine act as a base and it helps in the removal of hydrogen chloride in the form of a salt from the right hand side. Act as a base and helps in the removal of hydrogen chloride as a salt from the right hand side. So that is a function of using pyridine. So we will take one example, and the example is this. Now this is called cyclohexanol. And we are reacting with SOCl2, it gives chlorocyclohexane as the major product, and the side products are SO2 gas and the HCl gas. This is called chlorocyclohexane. So there are number of methods to convert alcohol into alkyl halide, but using SOCl2 is the best method. So whenever you want to convert OH into Cl, you either prefer SOCl2 or you prefer PCl5. Although we have number of methods available, but whenever you have to write, you either write SOCl2 or PCl5. Now the fourth method to prepare haloalkanes is the halide exchange. This is called method D. This method is called halide exchange. It means this method involves the replacement of one halogen by another halogen. So replacement of one halogen by another halogen. Now this method is useful to prepare either fluoro compounds or iodo compounds. So we will discuss the first preparation of fluoro compound. Now to prepare fluoro compounds, we react the haloalkane where X can be chlorine or bromine plus AgF. Reacting with AgF, it gives a fluoroalkane and the side product is AgX. Side product is AgX. Now this method of preparing fluoroalkanes from haloalkane, either chloro or bromoalkane, is known as Schwarz reaction. So this is called a Schwarz reaction. This is the method to prepare fluoroalkanes from chloro or bromoalkanes. Now in place of AgF, other fluorine containing reagents can also be used, right? Like COF2 can be used, Hg2F2 can also be used, or antimony fluoride can also be used. Now one example, CH3CH2Br, when treated with AgF, it gives CH3CH2F plus AgBr. So this is called a Schwarz reaction. It's a method to prepare fluoroalkanes. Now the second method is to prepare iodoalkanes. Now to prepare iodoalkanes, we react the either chloro or bromoalkanes with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. It gives Ri plus NaX. Now this method of preparing iodoalkanes from chloro or bromoalkanes using sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone is known as Finkelstein reaction. And the function of using dry acetone is that the side product sodium chloride or sodium bromide, they are insoluble in dry acetone, they precipitate, and you remove these precipitates from the right hand side and shift the equilibrium in the forward direction. So that is the purpose of using dry acetone. Now we will take one example, CH3CH2Br on reaction with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone gives CH3CH2I plus NaBr. Right? We can take one more example. So this is a starting alkyl bromide on reaction with dry acetone and sodium iodide gives iodo product. So this is about Finkelstein reaction. Now these are the four methods to prepare haloalkanes, right? We have already discussed two methods, from alkane, from alkenes. Third method is from alcohol, and the fourth method is halide exchange.